Right, Chester? Okay, this is Chester pulling me on my scooter. Go! And that's Brittany and Chaser. Ready, buddy? Set, go! Might be a little blurry. Here we go. Oh my God! Slow down! Sorry. You go too fast. I don't want to move! Wait! Stop! Stop! Hold on. I'll get this one. I don't like going that fast. I don't know how fast it's going though, but it is fast. That must have hurt me pretty bad if it crashed. I'm saying how fast he's going, and it'd hurt if I crashed. Like, really bad. Do you see how fast he went? Okay, ready? Want to do it again? I'll start in the beef front mission. We don't go that time. Ready? 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 Stop! Keep running! Okay, go! Ready? Go, Brittany! Go! Ready? Ready, buddy? Ready, start?
Hey, people.
Ready? Here's Brittany. Here we go. Okay, ready? Go! Wait, fast! I don't know how to start! Hold on. I'm trying to do some stop. Sorry. You ready, buddy? Go! Go on! Oh! Go on! Turn up! Ready? Go! Go get it! Okay. Go too fast! Go there! Ready? Right here. Can't stop! Oh God, I can't stop! Ow, my ankle!
Hey.
Ow. It's so bad. Okay, there we are. Bye.